Hi everyone, how are you all? So today I'm going to make the recipe of sizzler, veg sizzler. Hope it is a favorite dish of many people and I love it a lot. So let's see how to make it. So first of all, there are many steps to prepare it. It is very simple recipe actually, but the different things you have to prepare first and then assemble together. So the first thing I'll do is the stir fried veggies. So for it I'm taking one carrot chopped, and you can take broccoli as well. I have taken cauliflower florets, and this is capsicum slices and sliced beans. These things I'll stir fry. I'll boil them first, and after boiling I'll stir fry them with some of the powdered masalas and onion and garlic. So now I'll boil the veggies for the stir fried veggies, and I have taken baby corns. With the baby corn I'll make chili baby corn to be served with the rice. So I have already cut them and put them in the pan to boil. So once it is half done, I'll put the veggies for the stir fry in this in order to boil them all together. So I'm putting all my veggies together, and I've put a little amount of salt in it. I won't add the capsicums over here because capsicums take very less time to get fried, so I'll fry it directly. So in the meanwhile I have chopped the onions and garlic. So let me brief once what are the things I am going to get with my sizzler. There will be a combination of rice, then chili baby corn, aloo tikkis, french fries and stir fried veggies, and if I get some additional time I'll be adding noodles along with it. So let's get cooking. Here I am preparing my rice. I have taken 1.5 cup of basmati rice and have put it for a boil. Once it is done, then I'll prepare the rice with the veggies on the other side, and on the one side I'll be preparing the stir fried vegetables. Let's see, I have put some white oil on the pan, and once it's heated I'll be adding the chopped garlic and onions in it, and then I'll stir fry the veggies. The oil is hot now. I'm putting the garlic, the chopped onions. So I have added all my veggies and will sprinkle a little amount of salt and black pepper powder over it. And once the vegetables are crunchy, then it will be done. Broccoli works well with the stir fried veggies, but in the market it was not available, so I am using cauliflower instead. I'm adding the black pepper powder. And mix it well. Now we'll sprinkle a little amount of salt. Because I have already put some of the salt while boiling, so I won't be applying a lot of salt over here. My veggies are almost done. I have added capsicum at the end, and everything is done well. So now I'll be preparing the rice. So let's see the preparation of rice. I'll be putting a little amount of white oil. Along with it, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of butter. So I have added the butter. Once the butter starts melting, I'll be adding the chopped garlics in it. So butter has almost melted. I'm adding the garlic. A little amount of coriander leaves chopped, and sweet corns and carrot. Add the sweet corn syrup generously. Along with it, I'll be adding the finely chopped carrots. And fry it. I have added a little amount of chopped coriander. You can skip it. My veggies are almost done. I'll be adding the rice to it and sprinkle a little amount of salt and black pepper powder and mix it well. Then my rice will be done. So here I have added the rice. Now I'll give it a good mix with the veggies and the corn. You can add some more butter. I usually don't like to make the food very rich, so I have applied only 1 tablespoon of butter. You have to gently mix it, otherwise the rice grains can break. And to it sprinkle a little amount of black pepper powder and salt. So my rice is almost done, it is prepared. So I'll proceed with the next item of it. That is the chili baby corn, and then it will be followed by potato french fries. And if I get time, then I'll be preparing noodles. Oh yes, I forgot about the aloo tikki as well. I'll prepare that also. Now I'm gonna prepare the baby corn fritters. So first I've applied some oil and I've coated the boiled baby corns with flour and corn flour in the ratio of 1:1 and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And after mixing it, I have put a little amount of salt and coated them well. I'm showing you. This is the thing I have coated. Now I'll fry them on high heat, and after frying I'll stir it with capsicum, onion and chopped garlic along with little amount of soya sauce, tomato ketchup sauce, then chili sauce, vinegar, and my crispy chili baby corn will be prepared. My boiled baby corns have been fried. Now I'll apply chopped garlic, onions, capsicum, and then put all the sauces I have mentioned before and stir it well, and then put the baby corns and put a little amount of corn flour in water and mix it and apply on and pour it over here and put adequate amount of sugar and a little amount of salt and then stir well and it will be done. My crispy chili baby garlic is ready. You have to keep a little bit of gravy. It will be required while serving. So now I'll be preparing the french fries, then followed by the aloo tikki, and if I get time then I'll be making the noodles. For the aloo tikki, I have taken 2 boiled aloos and mixed it with grated carrot and grated beet and applied a little bit of coriander chopped, 1 cheese cube grated, and chili powder, salt according to taste, and we'll mix it together and form in the shape of tikkis. I'll make 3 tikkis out of it, and at last you have to just keep the tikkis on breadcrumbs and fry it on low flame. Now I'm frying my aloo tikkis after coating it with breadcrumbs, and once it is done, I won't show the process of the french fries. It is very easy. You have to just boil the slices of potatoes for 2 minutes in boiling water, and after that you have to coat it with arrowroot and then you have to deep fry it. There's the instant french fries recipes, and then I'll show you the assembling of the sizzler. I have put all the things on the iron plate and it is on heat. First I have put some shredded cabbage on top of the iron plate, then I have put the rice, then french fries I have prepared. I have put the french fry, the aloo tikki, this is the crispy chili baby corn, and this side is the stir fried vegetables. Now I'll sprinkle some black pepper powder on top of it, and put a little amount of butter. You can hear the sizzling sound of it. Let me apply the butter. You can see how smoke is coming out from the sizzler, and the famous sound of it, the chit 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 sound of it. And my sizzler is ready to serve. Now I'll be serving it. So guys, here comes my sizzler. It's ready to serve. I've already served it. It looks delicious and the aroma is also fantastic. So please try it at home. One french fry is on this side. I'm just serving it. The french fry will be served as the starters and the rest as the main course. So hope you guys have liked the recipe. For more such recipes, please subscribe to my channel Mix and Match Corner. Until then, goodbye. Take care. Bye-bye.